Hello lovely viewers, and welcome back to GoThaiTours. Today, we have something truly special in store for you. We're going to take you on a captivating journey through the heart of Bangkok on the Manohra Luxurious Dinner Cruise, a beautifully restored antique rice barge. Get ready for an unforgettable experience filled with exquisite cuisine and breathtaking views. Our adventure begins as we step aboard the Manohra, a magnificent antique rice barge operated by Anantara. It's a beautifully restored vessel that's going to take us on a culinary voyage like no other. Just look at the elegance and charm of this boat. It's the perfect setting for a romantic dinner cruise or a special evening with loved ones. As we set sail along the Chao Phraya River, the magic truly begins. The Bangkok night skyline unfolds before our eyes, and it's nothing short of breathtaking. The shimmering lights of the city create a mesmerizing backdrop for our dining experience. And speaking of dining, let's talk about the food. On this Manohra cruise, you're in for a treat. We'll be savoring a delectable 4-course meal that's carefully crafted to take our taste buds on a journey through Thai flavors. From lemongrass prawns to coconut soup and green curry, the Thai delicacies served here are simply divine. It's a culinary adventure you won't want to miss. What makes this experience even more special is the intimate small group setting on board. It's perfect for cherishing moments with your loved ones while enjoying the finest cuisine. The atmosphere is cozy and romantic, making it an ideal choice for celebrating special occasions or creating unforgettable memories. As we cruise along, we'll pass by some of Bangkok's iconic landmarks, including the Grand Palace and Wat Arun. These views add to the charm of this enchanting evening. The Grand Palace, a symbol of Thailand's rich history, and Wat Arun, the stunning Buddhist temple by the river, are truly a sight to behold. So, there you have it, an incredible experience on the Manohra cruise, where you can dine in style, enjoy a romantic evening, and soak in the beauty of Bangkok's skyline and cultural landmarks. If you ever find yourself in Bangkok, don't miss the opportunity to embark on this unforgettable adventure. And be sure to subscribe to GoThaiTours for more exciting travel experiences like this one.